Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited because I don't know about you, but this girl has a sweet tooth and I enjoy everything in moderation, especially fudge. Who doesn't love fudge? And this recipe that I created several years ago is a family favorite and of course my friends for the holidays, but of course you can enjoy it all year round. And I call it my holiday fudge recipe with basically 3-ish ingredients, depending on what you want to add to it, okay? So you can do it the way I do it, or you can change it up, of course, because my recipes are versatile. So what are you gonna need? Easy peasy. First of all, just a medium pot, and I'm going to put it on a medium to high setting, okay? I don't like it too hot, okay? Because you don't want it to burn and you need to watch it the entire time, okay? So you're also going to need a 9x9, 8x8 pan, all right? And just add some parchment paper. You're going to need peanut butter chips, okay? Chocolate chips. 1 package, and I'm just going to look and see how many grams this is. It should say on it. Yeah, they're 270 grams. Okay, so 1 package of peanut butter chips. We're going to add that. We're going to add 1 package, 270 grams of milk chocolate. Now you want to use dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate, you can, of course. Now, 1 can of condensed milk. Just add that all in. Okay, so you might have heard about this recipe before, which isn't new. But then, you know, I like to tweak things up and make it my own by adding some others. Okay, so I like to make sure I use a little spatula to get all of this goodness out of here. And how do I make it my own? Well, I'm going to show you. I like to add about a tablespoon or so of some crunchy peanut butter, okay? So just for some extra peanut butter goodness. And I'm just going to take a fork and I'm going to start mixing this up because it melts very quickly. Okay, so just use a fork to begin with, and then I start using my spatula, and you'll see that it will melt really quickly. So you want to add a little bit more peanut butter, you can. All right, so I'm just going to keep mixing this, and then I'm going to show you what else I like to add. And what I like about this is you can make so many batches and keep it in your freezer. It lasts a long time, even in your fridge. And it will bring smiles on your family, your friends' faces when you bring it over as a surprise or leave it on their doorstep. They will just love it. It just makes the perfect gift all year round. And not to mention, it's super duper delicious and very quick to whip up in no time. Okay, so it's still melting. It just takes a few minutes and you get your work out. I'm gonna use my holiday cute spatula. All right, so I'm gonna turn it down. Now, what I love to do is, I'll just show you, I love to roast almonds. You can use slivered, sliced almonds or whole almonds because when you cut it up, it doesn't matter. They'll break up when you cut the fudge up. So about a cup's worth I'm going to use. And I love craisins, especially for the holidays. With the red and the chocolate, it looks very Christmassy. Okay, so I like to add about 3/4 to a cup. Again, it doesn't matter. You want to use a lot more, you want to use less. And again, it's up to you. And this is basically done. You saw how fast. All right, and it's all melting and just combining it together. And you'll see, here's the texture of it. It just gets nice and thick. And I have it turned right down because I don't want it to burn. All right, that's it. So quick and easy. And I'm just gonna add it to my pan, and to my parchment paper, because we don't want it to stick. And it just comes out really easy. Just take your spatula so that you get all this goodness. And then I just run it under some hot soapy water. But most of it will come out. And then you're just gonna spread it. As you can see, I'm just gonna show you. Just spread it out in your pan. And it smells, oh my God, so good. And I'm a peanut butter lover. Just gonna tear that off. Sometimes I tear too much off of the parchment. And you know, you can go crazy. You can use any nut. You can use other dried fruit that you like, okay? You could add some coconut, why not? Be creative, that's it. And then you're gonna stick it in your fridge or freezer for a couple hours or so. And then you're just gonna cut it up into pieces. And I'm just gonna show you that I keep it in a container like this. Here it is. Just gonna show you. So again, you don't wanna add, some people don't love nuts. Some people are allergic to nuts. So, you know, you can just do it with chocolate chips and not add the peanut butter chips. Or you could use caramel chips. It's versatile, my friends. All recipes start with a base and you can change it up how you like it, all right? Again, different nuts, different dried fruits in it. Very easy and simple. And here they are. So I just keep it in a container and cut it up as big or as small. Or I like to buy these little bags at the dollar store. And here are my other cookies, my shortbread cookies, which I'm going to do a video soon. And here's the fudge. And then just wrap it up and make it look like a cute little gift. Or you can buy little containers and fill them up and also then wrap it up and give it away as presents or serve it on your plate with your cookies, your dessert. All right, everybody's going to love this fudge, I swear. It is amazing. And it's one of my favorite recipes that I like to make and give away as presents. Okay, so I hope you love this recipe. Make sure that you've subscribed, share my YouTube channel with anybody. Okay, this isn't a low-fat recipe, but again, everything in moderation, my friends, okay? You have to be able to live your life and be a lifestyle. This is not just about a diet. You have to enjoy everything, okay? So then you'll stay on track because you go back on track right after you splurge and eat my fudge. All right, so that's it. I'm just gonna put this down and take care. Love you guys. Mwah. Tell me what you think. If you've changed it up, comment below. If you have any questions, comment below. If you make it, please take a picture and tag me on all your social media forums, okay? Mwah. Take care.